Over our spring break, we went to Venice. First, we took the tube, then we took a train, then we took the tram, and then we took a plane.
Just like that, we had made it to the mainland. Now all was left was the bus to Venice.
To complete our journey, we took a water taxi. This is the view we woke up to. It was really beautiful.
Like London double-decker buses, here they had boats.
This is San Marco Plaza. It's a very popular square. This is the Cafe Florian. It was established in 1720, 56 years before the U.S.
The cafe hasn't moved since it was established.
This is one of the head waiters. He's been serving here for over 30 years.
We also saw Rialto Bridge.
It's one of the largest single-arch stone bridges in the world. My favorite thing in Venice might have been the gondola ride.
This is the Rialto Fish Market.
Transporting goods in Venice is very difficult. It's first brought over by boats, then hauled around by hand.
The fish here is very fresh.
Surprisingly, they also had some massive blue crabs there. They weren't only selling fish, however. They also had spices and salts.
There were some alleyways in Venice that were super small. Upcoming is Lido and Murano, two other islands in the lagoon.